Count out 15 Smarties. Divide the Smarties into 3 equal groups. How many Smarties are in each group? Well, the first thing that we're going to do is count out our 15 Smarties. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we have our 15 Smarties, and now it says divide the Smarties into 3 equal groups. So I'm going to make my 3 equal groups. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as you can see, the snowball has her 3 equal groups, 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to divvy up the rest of my Smarties right here into my 3 equal groups. So one at a time, put your Smarties into their groups. One at a time. So you give 1 Smartie to each group until they are all divvied up equally. And the reason we're doing 3 equal groups is because that's what it's asking us for right here. 3 equal groups. Okay, boys and girls, how many Smarties are in each group? Well, we have 1, 2, 3 groups, and how many is in each group it's asking. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But just to make sure that they're all equally dispersed, let's make sure we have 5 in each of our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we have 5 Smarties in each of our equal groups. So we're going to go to our answer box and type 5.